I'm asking, being from a biological background, so have you ever thought that you have wasted your graduation knowledge and that is not applicable to your current career? Because in my case, I am too from architectural background. So I sometimes I realize that I am wasting my 5 years of knowledge and learning all softwares like Photoshop, AutoCAD, and all. So they're not applicable to in my in my future prospectus. So what to do in such scenario? Because again and again I think of this thing that I started for my career from science background and then went to Kota for IIT coachings and then pursued architecture and then finally landed to my MBA.
Shashank, what is the problem statement?
So how to control the deviation, mind deviation, that I am not stable in my life regarding career, that I started from science to architecture to MBA. Okay. And likewise, you are also from the biological background. So that is the problem, sir. Yeah.
This is the problem for you or for somebody else? What is the problem, Shashank?
Relating it to you. That how did you overcome this thing that have you ever thought of this thing that you are from biology and you have not applying your biological knowledge in anywhere in your career? That is just for knowledge.
Okay, Shashank, I'm going to push you back a little. Is that okay? Do I have your permission to have a slightly tougher conversation?
Sure.
What is the problem you're trying to solve, Shashank? And whose problem?
I'm trying to solve my problem, and it's like it's related to stability, instability of career prospectus of my career.
You think you are unstable?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think should have happened? If not multiple careers, what do you think ideally should have happened in your life?
I don't think always, but sometimes I do think that let's say if I would have done BTech in my life, so that would have better because I was good at maths, I was good at IIT coachings at Kota. So, but unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, I landed to architecture, and
okay.
then further in life, I realized that that is a professional course, and in a professional course, you need time to invest and time. It takes time to earn money. So whether it is lawyer, doctor, or architect, anyone. So that is why I landed to MBA, just for making money fast.
Good. So you're clear on the goals, right?
But right now I'm clear on my goals, but sometimes I do deviate, my mind deviate from this particular thought. And it
okay.
sometimes,
Which all subjects did you study in your first and second?
Sorry, sir?
In your first and second standard, which all subjects did you study?
Sir, moral science, English, Hindi, Sanskrit. No, Sanskrit.
How is Sanskrit helping you today?
So nowhere.
Keep your focus on future, Shashank.
Okay.
Don't try to find answers of life. I don't think so. I have, or a lot of people do. Enjoy life, let it come. Focus on future. You have to increase your focus on future from what I'm seeing. If you're focused on something, you will forget what is happening around. Past has nothing to do with where your future is going to be, Shashank. If there's something else bothering you about your past, find out. Again, you're trying to find answers for past.
Sir, I would like to add something here. Like, let's say I'm motivated for my present, whatever I'm doing right now. But let's say I'm using Instagram and I see the status of my ex-colleagues and they are into architecture and they are doing something that are related to their background. So I sometimes, it's a luring factor for me that, oh, okay, काश मैं भी कर रहा होता अगर अच्छे से करता तो या फिर MBA में क्यों लैंड कर गया ऐसा कुछ.
You're wandering around, you're getting influenced by what others have achieved in their life. Shashank, every single person will have their own journey. They're living their own life. You have made your own choices. You have your own. Are you living their dreams or your dreams?
My dreams, yeah.
Are they living your dreams or their dreams?
Theirs.
Fine. Let them do well. Everybody has the right to get what they want and let them pursue the dream. Somebody would be faster. Somebody would be slower. I'm leaving you with this question. Do you think there are people in your network, in your hometown, in your place, who say, "Yaar, Shashank ki tarah banna hai"? So you are also, so it's about how do you want to look at it? I'm sure you are a role model. We all are a role model for a lot of people. Each one of you sitting here has not just landed up here by hook or crook. I know it doesn't happen. Even if you're landed up, you'll not go ahead. So there are people who are looking upon to you. You stay focused on what you want. If your goal is to make enormous money, go ahead and make that money. Is somebody making more money than you right now? Possibly, yes. Let them enjoy what they deserve. You focus on your own journeys.
Okay, sir.
Helps?
Clear.
Thank you.